looking at? Okay, someone has, okay, first let me know, someone has messaged me on my WhatsApp that SST class and MST class at the same time is there. Is it correct? Let me know. Tell me. Is it so?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Someone has messaged me. Who has messaged me? Let me show you. Shivam Prachi 5A. Prachi 5A messaged me. Let me show you on the screen. Let me open my WhatsApp over here and I'll show it to you. Because already we have been given timetable, and according to timetable we are following. So there's no need to clash between all the classes and the subjects are there. Whatever is there. Now let me know first, anyone, that till which chapter or till which page number I have completed in MSc. Let me know. Someone tell me. And all of you play your video. All students play your video so that I will see your face. All of you play your video. All of you play your video. Okay. And I have unmuted to each and everyone. Whoever name will be called, they need to reply. Once again, let me know, is there any problem regarding my voice clarity? Let me know. Is there any problem? Mauli Singh, Chaitanya Dev, Adamya, Vaibhav?
No, sir. No, sir.
Very good.
No, sir.
Okay, now tell me till which chapter or till which page number I have taught in the offline classes, so that from there only we'll begin.
Sir, you have the chapter 1 completed.
Okay, very good. Chapter 1 we have completed. Means we are going to begin chapter 2. We are supposed to begin chapter 2 today.
Sir, completed chapter 2 story.
Okay, let me mute first all of you, then I will unmute any one of you, then I will have talking. Okay, Satyam Raj, you are becoming hero. You are combing your hair with hand, and Molly Singh is also. Okay, now Molly Singh, unmute yourself. Molly Singh and Chaitanya Dev, unmute yourself. Chaitanya Dev also. Are you listening, Chaitanya Dev? Chaitanya Dev, are you listening? Chaitanya Dev is not replying because he is having the microphone. I think he has some problem in microphone. So let me unmute Pragati Khetan. Pragati Khetan, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, so now listen. I'm not having book with me over here. So I want chapter 2 photos. I want you to send me. Either Molly Singh or Pragati Khetan, send me chapter 2 photos on my WhatsApp. Now I will open it, then I will begin. Come on, send me right now. Either Molly Singh or Pragati Khetan, send me chapter 2 photos. Take a nice photos and send me. Are you listening, Pragati Khetan?
Yes.
So I am telling you, send me please chapter 2 photos. Chapter 2 photos you send me. Okay, Molly Singh has sent me. So now let me check. Okay, Molly Singh has sent me. So let me open the book over here. Okay, very good. Okay, be honest. Chapter 2 is be honest. Very good. So let us begin. I'm going to begin now. Everybody, see, his name is visible here. Write the name Abhinav Raj, Abhinav Raj, Abhinav Raj. Write the name of Abhinav Raj, Pragati Khetan. I will get them TC. I will get him TC. Abhinav Raj. Write the name of Abhinav Raj. When school will reopen, you just let me know. He is drawing on the screen. I will get him TC. I will get him TC surely. Abhinav Raj. Have you noted down his name? Pragati Khitan, have you noted down his name?
Yes, sir.
When school will reopen, you give it to me. I will take it to the father and father will give him TC. When teacher will start teaching, he will draw. Why? Okay, let us begin now. Be honest. The value of this chapter is written here, honesty, as you can see here. So everyone is honest sometimes. See what line is written here. Everyone is honest sometimes. Means not often, not always. It's written sometimes. Perhaps some are honest most of the time. Perhaps some of them are honest most of the time. But how many people are still striving to be honest? We are, we all people and you. Today, lack of honesty prevails everywhere. Today, no one is honest people. If I will ask you that, have you learned? Then all of you will say, yes, sir, I have learned, I have done my question and answer and all those things. But the moment I will start asking question and answer to you, you don't reply. So there is a lack of honesty. There is a lack of honesty. God's view on honesty is well known in the 10 commandments of the Bible. So in the Bible, there are 10 commandments. This is very, very important. The 8th commandment states, you must not steal. Among those commandments, 8th commandment is written that you must not steal. God has compassion for all those who are honest and sincere. Okay, God has compassion for all those who are honest and sincere. Those who are not honest and sincere.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming. Okay, then let me put headphone. I think with that headphone, you will not have any problem. Let me. Okay, now let me know. Are you listening now? Is there any problem now?
Yes, sir.
Are you?
No, sir.
Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So I was telling that God has compassion for all those who are honest and sincere. But what happens these days? People are not honest and sincere. Even you people, when you sit in the class, I am teaching, I am delivering my speech, and some of them look here and there, the window side. Once I found that Molly Singh was talking to her friend and Adamya Vaibhav was looking at the window. So this happens. He will surely bless their efforts someday or the other and help them to obtain what they need. God will never let a soul of righteousness be hungry. God surely punishes the wicked people. So those who are wicked people, dusht people, wicked means dusht. So those who are wicked people, God punishes them. Okay. So now let me know, you want to be a wicked people or the good people? Pragati Khetan, what kind of people you want to become? Tell me.
Good people.
Good people. But every time I found you talk with your friends in the class, then how will you become good people? Okay. Let us read the 3 different situations in which a person can show honesty. So here in this story, we have been given 3 situations in which a person can show honesty. So let us read out the first situation. First situation is talking about the poverty. Poverty means garibi. Okay. So victory was a widow with 5 school going children. So there was a girl or woman whose name was Victory. She was she was widow with 5 school going children. She's having 5 children. They lived in a big city with little social benefits. Big cities, but little social benefits. She tried hard to meet her ends as an honest street vendor. She tried hard to meet her ends as an honest street vendor. Street vendor means those people who comes in your locality and in street, they say they sell something like jhal muri and all those things. Those are street vendor. She satisfied her family needs with whatever little she earned. So whatever she was earning, she was trying to satisfy with her family. One day her friends asked her, Victory, why are you always so honest? So one day her friends asked that, why are you so honest? Why are you so honest? At this she replied, God loves honest people. So she replied, she told her friend that God always loves those who are honest people. Secondly, if I am honest, then my children will also become honest. Yes, this is very, very good thinking. If you are honest, your children will become honest. If you are dishonest, your children also will become dishonest. But you are already children. So whether you are honest or dishonest, that I don't know, but I will make you honest. After a few days, a friend visited her house. So after a few days, a friend of her has visited her house. She saw some coins lying on the table. So she saw that, see in the picture it is given, this picture. On the table, some coins are lying. How many coins are there? Count and tell, let me know. Molly Singh, how many coins are there on the table?
Sir, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 coins are there. So don't take coins, Pragati Khetan, okay? Pragati Khetan is thinking that how to get that coins which is lying on the table. You want that coin, Pragati Khetan?
No, sir.
Okay, let us move. She said, Victory, children would take them. Then her friend told Victory, why you have kept all the coins like that? Your children will come and they will take it. Victory replied confidently, my children would never do this. Then Victory told that my children will never do this and they will not steal. Because Victory was so honest, that's why her children also was honest. They were honest. Her friend was amazed to hear this. So when her friend heard this, then she was in shock, amazed that how is this possible that whole day 5 coins are lying on the table and children will not take it. So honest, my God. But at your home, if your papa or mummy rupees coin will fall down on the floor, you will run to take it. Do you? You will run to take it. Will you? It happens or not? Adamya Vaibhav, it happens or not? Okay, let it be. Her friends was amazed to hear this. Without informing Victory, she left her own coins on the table. Where? Now open your book at page number 10. Page number 10. Everyone could see them easily. When she came there the next day, she was surprised to see the coins lying untouched at the same place. Means her friend, for checking that is it right or not that her children is so honest, she has kept her coins and she went. Then she came after a day and she found that all the coins were lying untouched at the same place. So this was the first situation. Now let us begin the second situation. Honest Gloria. Now there is a new story. Honest Gloria. Gloria, a 19-year-old girl, worked in a palm oil processing plant. She noticed that a number of women working in the plant smuggled the palm kernels out of the plant and sold them. She saw, okay, she noticed that some such a women advised her to follow that dishonest practice. So some people, some women were, you know, advised her follow the dishonest practice. But Gloria refused saying, so. No, I would like to do my work honestly. God says that you must not follow others for evil deeds. Some of the ladies even made fun of her and called her loser. When she told like that I will be a very honest woman, then some of the ladies made fun of her. Once what happens at the end of the day, all the ladies were leaving the plant. Suddenly the manager appeared there. All of a sudden manager appeared. He checked everyone's belongings and found the palm kernels in most of the bags. However, there were no kernels in Gloria's bag. So he also was surprised that how is it possible? Out of all the women who were caught stealing, some were fired immediately and some were asked to work for 2 weeks without salary. So boss has punished, the owner of that, that company or whatever is there. He fired at once some of them, and their salary also has been deducted. Now the women raised that Gloria was not a loser. Now women realized that Gloria was not a loser. So what will you do when you find something valuable that someone has lost? Pick your answer. Immediately keep it as your possession or look for the real honor and return it. Ignore it as it is not your duty. Which one you will tick? Tell me the answer correct at once. Come on. Tell me the answer.
Look for the real honor and fun.
Very good. That is the correct answer. Number 2 is the correct answer. Very good. Now come to at page number 11. Page number 11. Now we have situation number 3. Molly Singh, this page is not visible on my computer. It is not visible properly. So you please send me the picture again, page number 11. Molly Singh,
Yes, sir.
you send me the page number 11 in a proper way because words are not visible over here clearly, so that we can continue this story. Did you send? Page number 11, the words and the sentences are not visible properly. Please send it again. Okay, she has sent me. Yeah, now it is visible. Very good. Thank you. Now,
Welcome, sir.
okay, now I have got. Okay, now let us begin the third situation. Honest Blake. Angel was a teacher in a primary school. So Angel was a teacher in a primary school. Once she got her salary in cash. In a hurry, she bundled that notes and kept them in her bag. After that, she hired a taxi and went for a meeting. On reaching the destination, she came out of the taxi and paid the driver by taking out coins from her bag. Unfortunately, what happens? Unfortunately, her bundle of notes fell on the ground, which she did not notice. Molly Singh, she was your younger sister. She was dancing.
Yes, sir.
So, in which class she studies?
The class 2.
So, in our school
Yes, sir.
section, which section she is studying?
Sir A.
2A. Oh, I am not having in class 2A. That's why. So she was dancing there. She doesn't have that online classes
At 11 o'clock.
at 11 o'clock. Or by the time she is dancing. Okay, let it be. After a few minutes, a man named Blake came down the street. He had also come there for the same meeting. He saw the bundle of notes lying on the ground. He picked it up and kept it in his pocket. Later, before leaving the place, Blake told his friend that he had found something lying outside. Anyone who had anyone who had lost something could phone him and identify it. That evening, when Angel reached home, she was shocked to see her salary missing from her bag. She became very sad, very sad. Next day, she revealed this to her friend Tess. Her friend name was Tess. Tess told her that a man had found something valuable. Angel got his phone number and phoned Blake and claimed her money back. God is present everywhere. He sees and knows everything. You cannot hide anything from him. Even your smallest secret is revealed to him. He watches us constantly. So, moral of the story is honesty is a very good quality. Honesty is a very good quality. So, students,
Quality.
okay, so students, today till here only. In our next classes, we'll do the exercises. Means we'll complete our fill in the blanks, question and answer, and all those things will complete. Okay, understood, everybody?
Okay, sir.
Any problem?
Yes, sir.
What problem?
No, sir.
Then you are saying yes, sir, no, sir, both. Okay. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
everybody.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Keep
Bye,
studying at
sir.
your
Bye,
home.
sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, bye. Bye, bye.